Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. I put a lot of work into transcribing this song, keeping it as accurate to the original as possible while trying to cram as many harmonic voices into it for a single guitar performance. So in the spirit of giving, my gift to you is a downloadable guitar tab with sheet music. You can find links to that and other free things in the description of this video and at ZachSharGuitar.com. Also, please check out the original score composed by Charlie Clouser. I'd love to know how you think my interpretation of this piece compares to the original. So comment below and tell me what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Have a happy, healthy, safe Halloween and enjoy the rest of your Rocktober. And I'll saw you soon.